So you're probably looking around trying to figure out what in the heck is going on with the overall crypto markets and why it's down. And in the last 24 hours, why did Bitcoin and Ethereum fall 8 and 9% respectively, dropping below 40,000 Bitcoin, Ethereum dropping below 3,000? If you're looking for the exact reasons, I'm going to give them to you in this video. Let's do this. Okay. So right here, right now, the overall crypto market is now at 1.93 trillion, depending upon when you're watching this video. May or be more, a little bit less, but at the recording, this is what it was. It's down 8+% approximately. I've already mentioned this Bitcoin. You can see right here falling 38,000 to 38,000. It hit 38,253. That's approximately the low point of where it hit. It's bounced back and come back. That's a little bit of good news, a little bit of a silver lining. Ethereum dropping below 3,000 to 2850 and change, again down almost 10%. Okay, and by the way, look at the charts. Look at the charts and how it's impacted every single altcoin out there. I talk about this all the time. Bitcoin and Ethereum make up more than 50% of this number right here. More than 50% of it's made up by Bitcoin and Ethereum alone. And you can see market cap right here. It's real easy. Do the math. You can see that almost 52 to 55% approximately of the entire market cap, that number right there that's highlighted, is made up by Bitcoin and Ethereum. Thus, said a different way, where Bitcoin and Ethereum go, the rest shall follow. We're going to get into why it's dropping and why it has dropped here in just a minute, but I want to show you that this is pervasive. This is across the entire crypto market. Look, just look at it. We're just going to look at the charts. Look at the chart right here. Same. Right, Binance coin right there, same. Cardano, same. Solana, XRP, Terra. Look at Polkadot. Look at the charts. Look exactly how they look. Exactly like. Oh, by the way, looking very similar to like right here, Bitcoin and Ethereum, and it just goes on and on and on. Avalanche, Shiba Inu, Polygon, Cosmos, Crowcoin. Right, it just goes on and on, right? You get my point. Okay, why? What is going on, Austin? What is going on? What is going on? Please tell us. Okay, so we've talked about it. We've already covered this. It's highlighted in the yellow. So the declines in crypto are a kind of a multi-punch scenario. I've kind of, the metaphor in my mind is a boxer. It's a boxer who's been backed up into the ropes, and now his opponent is just beating us up. And we're the boxer on the ropes, crypto, who's just getting pummeled, beat up. That's the metaphor that's working in my brain right now, because this has been going on now for weeks and weeks. We've just had consistently bad news, not just in crypto, but in the overall stock equity markets, in the overall global financial markets. Oh, by the way, in the overall global kind of everything. With COVID, it's still here, right? Still doing its thing. It's still something that the news talks about every day. They scare us every day with all of the stats. And oh, by the way, with the underlying theme that COVID is going to kill everybody in the next 3 minutes, okay? It is simply not. I am not minimizing the impact of COVID. That's not my point. I'm talking about it as a pervasive emotional impact and the toll that's taking on people. Number one. Number two, inflation. Inflation is here in the United States. You can't have the United States print money every single day, and everything that's been going on in the last year or so, and not expect it to impact inflation. Inflation now is at its all-time high. 40 years, our inflation in the United States has not been this high. What does that mean? Everything costs more money. You go to the grocery store, meat, cheese, eggs, fruit, vegetables, everything simply costs more. Creates fear. People want to hold on to their dollars more. By the way, gas is, fuel is more, okay? Everything, the price is rising. Housing, etc., the price is rising. Fear, very underlying thing. Beyond that, the S&P 500, the Nasdaq have been down and continue to be down three straight week of losses going on there. Okay, we've already had this. We've been digesting this for a while, where the Federal Reserve has come out and they're raising rates. They are tightening their monetary policy. They're going to stop injecting liquidity into the markets. All of that has going on to impact all of the financial equity markets, which is spilling over into crypto. It's impacting crypto. Oh, by the way, this little thing that happened yesterday, Russia has proposed a ban on the use and mining of cryptocurrency. Simply put, why? Oh, by the way, they want to ban exchanges. They want to basically make it where people cannot trade crypto in Russia. You want to know why? It's real simple. It's the exact same reason that China did it. control. They don't want to give up that control. They're citing, it's a threat to their monetary policy. They're citing, money laundering, etc. Oh, it's a threat to citizens' well-being, etc. Blah blah blah. But it's control. Okay. So again, my boxer metaphor is really what I want to leave you with. This is a situation where the crypto market is a boxer on the ropes. His opponent is coming to them, just continuing to pummel us and beat us, and we got to get off the ropes. The only way we get off the ropes is to get a break from all of this bad news, to have some positive catalyst coming. Oh, by the way, people have to start having confidence in crypto, and oh, by the way, in kind of in general everything, etc. This is not something that's going to change in the next in the next 5 minutes. I know it's bad news. I apologize, but this is what's going on, guys. Okay, right here, right now, I am holding. I am weathering the storm. I am going to continue. I'm just going to put my head down, just move on with my investments, and I know fundamentally that they're going to improve at some point over time. You know why? Because I believe in the overall crypto market. The crypto market is not just going to dry up and blow away tomorrow. That is simply not going to happen. Could it continue to go down a little bit? Quite possibly, right? I mean, we did touch back and bounce back off for Bitcoin we didn't get to 38,000. That's a key support level that I have talked about, that's out there. We bounced off of that, and now we can maybe go back and continue to go back up in the right direction. But right here, right now, this is the state of the union, guys, and it's just nothing but bad news right now. But me, I'm going to shoot straight with you. That's what I got for you. I'm standing strong and just going to ride this out. See you later, guys. Take it easy. Thanks. Bye.